center punch. This is the same tool that we saw at the RV show last month, where we were demonstrating how the Clearplex film protects windshield glass. We're coming back to our original center punch hits. You can see 1, 2, 3 points where the film was hit with a center punch. As we up, nothing on the glass. So the film is really protecting the glass.
On this area that is not protected with Clearplex. I'll be showing you where the impacts were made by the 1 gram steel ball bearing at around anywhere between 120 and 200 miles per hour. 100 miles per hour. Last impact, which was close to 200 miles an hour, did in fact break the glass, but as you can see, it completely held the glass in place. I will now show you where the other impacts were made using the 4 gram ball bearing that did not result in any glass breakages. Here is the first, here is the second impact using the 4 gram ball bearing. Here is the third, fourth, and then finally the 5th impact, which resulted in the glass breaking. But as you can see, the entire tempered piece of glass has been held in one piece and it has not crumbled.